What's up mga pards? Kumusta? A blessed Sunday muli sa ating lahat. Bago po natin simulan ang ating kantahan ngayong araw, nais ko po munang batiin ang lahat ng mga mababait na sisters at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng pamunuan ng Notre Dame de Chartres Hospital Baguio, ang mga naggagandahan at mga nagagwapuhang doctors and nurses, ang mga masisipag na auxiliaries, ang matitikas at magigiting ng mga security guards, syempre ang mga masisipag na miyembro ng housekeeping department, lalong-lalo na po sa canteen and dietary department. Ito po ang inyong paring G, bumabati po sa inyo ng magandang araw at peace be with you. Okay, so let's move on to the song. Our request sender for today is none other than Sir Enzo. Kumusta po, Sir Enzo? At sa lahat po ng ating mga naging kaibigan dyan sa Notre Dame de Chartres Hospital Baguio. At sa lahat po ng mga department and staff na hindi ko po nabanggit, mabuhay po kayong lahat mga ma'am, sir, and keep safe po palagi. Sir Enzo, ito na po yung request nyo from Anne-Marie and Kenny Rogers, If I Ever Fall in Love Again.
Know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, guess I'm scared to fly, it's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around. And I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, when I know I'm gonna take it slow. Oh, I know it's gonna be okay. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Thank you so much mga pards. Maraming salamat po.